Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Zafran Razik bin Abdul Nasir. My matrix number is 200966 and I am from the Faculty of Design and Architecture in the Bachelor of Landscape Architecture. And under the subject of construction material, today I will be making and preparing a model for a mortise and tenon joint. So let's get to it.
Here is the model that I will be doing today, which is the mortise and tenon joint model. This is an isometric drawing of my model, as you can see here. So proceeding, this is the side view of my model. Here is the front view of my model. As you can see here, the plank, this is what we call a plank, is inserted all the way to the end, to the same length with the top part of the model. This is also considered as the mortise and tenon joint. This is also as a mortise and tenon joint. So here is a detailed section drawing of the steps of inserting the mortise and tenon joint. So number one is we're going to make a mortise bond here on the top part. Then it will be inserted to the tenon part here, the number 2, which will be made later on in the video. Then the number 2 will be inserted to the number 4, which is the post mortise section. Okay. So the model, I will be using polystyrene as a substitute for wood because due to COVID-19, I cannot get my hands on the materials and the right materials and equipments to do it. So I will be substituting it with polystyrene. So here I have prepared you cuts of polystyrene for my model. So these two parts is the top part of the model. This three parts polystyrene here is for my lead part of the model, and for this way is the the plank. So all of this polystyrene were cut using some tools that I use some marker pens and cutter. I also use kinds of rulers and also my secret weapon, the polystyrene cutter. Okay, now I will be gluing all these polystyrene parts together and using this glue, and I will see you after the glue dries. I will see you guys later in the video. So here are the parts that have been glued together and scribed. So the top part here, the leg part here, and of course the plank. So now I will draw the lines that will be cut for the mortise and tenon joint. So I'll be drawing the lines with this, and after the lines are drawn, it will be cut with this. So I finished drawing my mortise and tenon joints that need to be cut. So this one for the leg part and for the also the top part. So now I will use these two to cut my joint. So here are the parts that have been cut. This one is the top part, this one is the leg part, and this is the plank. So here is the holes are considered as mortise. This one is a mortise, as you can see here, and this one is also a mortise. And the one that will be inserted into the holes that will be made are considered as tenon. So this one is a tenon, which will be inserted to the leg part, and this one is also a tenon, which is inserted to the top part. So as you seen this before, the number 1 mortise bond will be inserted to the number 2 tenon, and the number 3 tenon will be inserted to the number 4 post mortise. You can see this very clearly in the detail section. Now I will demonstrate you in connecting it using with the model that I've made. So here is the number 1 here. Sorry, the number 1 here will be inserted to the number 2. So like this, it will be inserted. As you can see, insert it like that. So you have something like this for the number 1 and 2. It is a view from the top. And afterwards is the number 3. The plank part will be inserted to the post mortise number 4. So and you will get something like this. So here is the model. So the mortise and tenon joint model. So the number 1 here inserted to the number 2, the mortise bond inserted to the tenon, the number 2 tenon, then the number 3 tenon is inserted to the number 4 post mortise. So
here is the model of mortise and tenon that I have made using polystyrene. This model is made using the 1:1 scale, which is also the actual scale for my drawing. So here is the front view, here is the side view, and here is the top view. So during the making of this mortise and tenon joint model, I believe I understood that making it is quite hard because I did not have suitable materials and equipment, and also using polystyrene breaks easily, and it is also quite messy using it. So I hope in the future, when I do get a chance to make a proper mortise and tenon joint model using wood, I can do a better job in making it more precisely and more neatly. That is all from me. Thank you so much. Forensic, signing off.